This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 7th of October. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. I've done all the bit new daily pivots. I've got the Bitcoin won at 68.05. We are back over it, and we are working fairly hard to try and break over the daily middle band. Now, we haven't successfully broken over that yet. I've got that at 63,177, and we are slightly below it at the moment, but we've had a test of the 200 DMA. We are testing resistance here, so we will see how that goes. How's that looking on the hourly chart? No current divergence. And on the 15-minute chart, I would note that we have, hang on a second, where did I put that? All right, okay, we've got a head and shoulders here. That's broken down, and I've marked in this very, very small line here, which is basically where the right shoulder high is. Get over that, and the head and shoulder fails. And this is not a bad head and shoulders. It hasn't broken yet. Could be, I've got possible wedges that could be about to break down, but nothing really particularly concrete to suggest this is about to break down. We will see. But we've got an inflection point here. We'll see which way it breaks. If we break up directly from here, then, well, that opens up the upside. We break over the daily middle bands, break and convert those, and the bias is to the upside. On Ethereum, the new daily chart, the weekly pivot is at 28.71. We are coming up to the test of the daily middle band. Haven't tested it yet. This is an important test. So on the hourly chart, we've got obviously the double top here had already made target. Could be forming a possible pattern to go higher, but nothing particularly concrete. And the 15-minute chart, we've got another potential wedge that could be about to break down. Looking at Solana, where I've got the new monthly pivot, weekly pivot. I was up all night working at 146.44. We are testing the daily middle band. We're slightly over it at the moment. No, slightly under it. It's at 147.28. What I would say though is we've been higher overnight, and we've gone high enough that this head and shoulders, which was a little tentative, but not a bad head and shoulders actually, has failed with a target back up and a retest this night at 161.73. So I'm thinking this might actually be the first time that we're going to get a significant break up. But on the daily chart, we're still holding the daily middle band as resistance. We will see how it goes. All right, great. Let's have a look at questions, of which there are none at the moment. Fairly bullish day on Friday. We have the test of the daily middle band is still ongoing. Break and convert those across the board, and we open up the upside. Failed there, and we've got the fuel for what looks like another leg down. Solana, this failure of the head and shoulders is encouraging. At the very least, we no longer have a target at 122.50. So we will see, but so that is good. That is good news for bulls, but they're not out of the woods. We need to get over the daily middle bands, and there's still something of a question mark over equities. All right, my pleasure as always, mate. I will have this posted ASAP. I'll catch you guys later.